handle dough in the test kitchen, we love to use bowl scrapers. These little paddles are made of plastic, nylon, or silicone, and they have curved edges designed to conform to the bowl. They help you scrape up every last bit of dough for breads, cookies, and pastries. And with no handles, you can get great leverage to reach right in for lifting and folding. We bought 8, priced from about $2 to about $13. And we tried them with sticky bread dough and dense cookie dough, and we compared them to our winning silicone spatula. Now we wanted a scraper with a versatile shape that could fit into all sorts of bowls, but that was sturdy and flexible and could hold up to long-term use. Some of these had kind of weird shapes, like this. We just couldn't figure it out. As you're using it and you're choking up, it's hitting the other side of the bowl. This one was so stiff and sharp that it couldn't scrape without cutting up the dough or our hands. This guy is super flexible and bendy. That may seem good until you're trying to lift heavy cookie dough. Not so good. This one's our favorite. It's the Fox Run silicone dough bowl scraper. This teardrop shape really works with different curves to fit a variety of bowls. It's very comfy to hold, and the core reinforced with steel, so it holds up to dense cookie dough, but its flexible edges really get under delicate dough. So you can scrape really well, and you can lift it, but without deflating it or cutting it up. Now this also came through in our durability tests in perfect shape, and at about $5, certainly worth the investment. Another great choice is this one by KitchenAid. It's got that grippy silicone that's comfortable. It's got the sturdy build that gave us good leverage for scraping and lifting dough, but it wasn't quite as versatile. It took a few extra strokes to clean the bowl, but that long edge is also great for dividing dough. And for $7.99, it also comes with a pan scraper.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.